So if you're looking for a gift that feels personal, MollyJewelryUS is that girl.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace, Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you. So let's just be completely honest. There are so many moments in life that deserve to be celebrated. Work anniversaries, friendship milestones, personal wins that don't always get talked about. And every year when those moments come around, we want to mark them with something meaningful. But let's be completely real. Sometimes it feels like you're stuck choosing between something that feels too ordinary or something that's way too expensive. And I am a big intentional gift giver. So when I'm picking out a gift, I want it to be something that is extremely meaningful. What really made me appreciate this even more is learning about MollyJewelryUS, the brand. They specialize in natural gemstones, meaning every piece already has a story before it even reaches you. Everything is handcrafted, especially the inlay details, which you can tell really took real care and took a lot of time. Their pricing is also very transparent. Custom keepsakes like this usually come with a much higher price tag. You're gonna spend a pretty little coin. But here you're getting something meaningful starting around $300 or more without sacrificing quality or intention, because honestly you get what you pay for. They're trusted by thousands of customers, and you can see real reviews from people gifting these rings for anniversaries, milestones, or whatever special moments may happen in life. And the customization options, those are what really stand out. Engraving, styles, personal touches, it's all designed around your moment, your special day, your special time. So you're not just buying jewelry, you're creating a keepsake that's one of a kind. And what I love most about a meaningful gift is that you don't really have to ever put it away. This ring fits into everyday life so naturally. So whether you're at work, out with friends, celebrating a win, or just having a quiet moment to yourself, as the light hits the stone, the pattern shifts slightly, just like memories do over time. It doesn't require a special care or any additional worry. It's meant to be worn. It's meant to live just like you, because we live in life over here, okay? And honestly, that's what makes a keepsake truly special. So if you're looking for a gift that feels personal, meaningful, and truly unique, MollyJewelryUS is that girl, and they have the perfect options for you. This really defines what an anniversary gift can be. It's not about how expensive it is. It's about the meaning behind it. It's always the thought that counts for me. One of a kind memory, natural artistry, so it's one of a kind, and a lasting symbol of growth and love. I want to be able to look at it and it reminds me of the occasion that I got it for, or the reason, or the person that even gave it to me. That's how you stay in a girl's mind, okay? So I have an exclusive gift for my subscribers and my supporters. Use the code KOL15 for 15% off site-wide. Y'all know we like to live bougie on a budget. Having 15% off is gonna put us right where we need to be. And this code is valid permanent. Save this video, favorite it, so that you can come back to it. So you can buy a gift now, you can buy a gift later, you can buy gifts galore. So I definitely love this ring, y'all. It's so pretty and it matches my vibe perfectly. The gold and the colors within it, like, it's my vibe. So definitely make sure that you like this video. Drop down in the comments and let me know, do you love this aquatic ring like I love it? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it, because I'm forever going to put the girls on, okay? But I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Click that link below. Go create something special for that meaningful moment. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.